thank you for tuning into this channel. Now, in the barbering game and hairdressing game, the scissors are the most important aspect of it. So I'd like to introduce you to a brand called Kobe. Now, this is a scissor, obviously, and in the case we have a pair of scissors, a purple YS Park cutting comb, and a pair of thinning scissors also. Now, before I get on to the boring parts of what they're all about and this, that and the other, I just want to say I've been using these scissors now for the past month and they're absolutely fantastic. Definitely one of the best pairs of scissors I've used in a long time. If you're looking at getting a reasonable priced, cheaper end range without going to all the main brands and everything like that, I would highly recommend these. They are just one of them scissors that does everything. You do your standard cutting with it, you do your point cutting, you do your slicing, whatever you need these for, you've got these. So they come in 6-inch, 5.5 and 5-inch on the right-handed. They do come in left-hand, right-handed, but the 5-inch is only the right-handed. Now, when I've been using these, the weight's perfect. They've got a ratchet tension adjuster for the fine tuning, so you just adjust them with your fingers. The super ergonomic shape for more hold and comfort and everything like that, which they actually feel like they're moulded to your hand, to be fair. The weight distribution on them is absolutely beautiful, so no matter what you're doing with your cutting, you find it nice, easy, manageable. Now, I've always used larger scissors in the past from like bigger brands, and I've done cheaper brands, and I will say that these are up there with definitely one of the best pairs of scissors I've ever used before. So Kobe is a company run by Cool Blades in Blackpool. If you go onto their website and put Ace of Fades 15, you'll get a discount code for Kobe products. You'll get 15% off. Now, yes, scissors are expensive, are cheap. This is a perfect mid-range price. It's not too stupid on the price. Nice, reasonable price. These are called the Kobe Apollo Set. Like I say, you get a pair of scissors, a pair of thinners and a comb. So go and check it out. They do a lot more scissors in their range. Now, the bits that are technical bits that they put on the websites. It's forged in Japanese 440C stainless steel for more durability. The scissors themselves have got a lifetime guarantee for the manufacturer's guarantee. So that's not wear and tear. But they do come with a scissor sharpening and adjustment like warranty as well, but a lifetime guarantee on a pair of scissors. You can't go wrong. They have faith in their scissors, and from what I've used, they're absolutely fantastic. Perfect shape. I mean, as you can see there, you got your little Kobe logo on there. Proper makes the scissors stand out and makes them look good. So what they're made out of: stainless steel, which is more durable. Very good, 440C, which is one of the better end stainless steels that you can do. They come in 5, 5.5 and 6 in right-handed, and a 5.5 and a 6 in the left-handed. The shape's perfect, the ratchet tension. They do everything: point cutting, slicing, standard cutting. So yeah, why not? Check out these on the website, go and buy them. Like I say, I'm using them now, I've been using them for the past month. I'm not using all the higher end brand scissors that I've had in the past. I'm not using the cheaper end. They're the only scissors now that I'm using, unless I'm doing like long hair, in which case I'll get another pair of scissors out as well. So I would say that if they did a larger scissor in the left-handed, I would go out and buy that, and I'd be using a full Kobe range then. So yeah, thank you for watching. Go and check them out. Like I say, link down below, code down below. Go and check it all out. If you like the videos, like, subscribe this video, go to Cool Blades, check it out. They do a wide range of the barbering and hairdressing equipment under Kobe, Kumi. They hit the bigger brands as well, like Wall, Barber. So yeah, go and check them out, stock up your basket, use the discount code on the Kobe, and you won't be disappointed. So thank you very much, and I'll see you soon.